Hi everybody, we're at John Sadler's Auto Repair, and we have a 2007 Silverado 4x4 5.3 liter. The VIN 8-digit is B. It has code P0171 and 174. So usually you're going to have a mass airflow sensor dirty. It was dirty, we cleaned it. We still had high fill trim. We've got in the long-term fill trim. We've got 25% and we got a 23% on the short-term fill trim. And then it says to check the intake manifold gaskets for vacuum leaks. So with the engine cold, I hooked up my smoke machine. I used that part right there, and the intake manifold gaskets are fine. It had 70 psi fuel pressure, so I put an alternative fuel gauge on it, our fuel pressure unit from my cleaning tool. And now we have like 52 or 53 psi. So we're well below the 70 because I thought that might have had a problem. And we still have high fill trims. So more than likely what we have going on, since the system's running lean like that, is we have restricted fuel injectors. So I wanted to do this test instead of changing the fuel pump and having the pressure come down 8 psi and having the same problem and be out $800 for a fuel pump with a sender on it. These are expensive pumps of this particular vehicle, and plus the labor of dropping the gas tank down. So this is what we found out, whether the fuel pressure is 8 pounds high or a little bit low, the long-term fuel trim is still high, the mass airflow sensor is not a problem, we don't have a vacuum leak. So more than likely we have restricted fuel injectors, so I'm going to use the BG products and clean those on the vehicle, and I'll let you know in a written statement at the bottom of it what I come up with as a solution. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon.